Girl, let me loving on your body, yeah. Be the freak, be the freak that you need. Oh, come fix my body. I'll be the freak, be the freak, be the freak, be the freak that you need. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Queen Layla here. So as y'all read by the title, I will be moisturizing my hair or doing a protein treatment today. But before that, I gotta remove these little ass braids. Yo, quarantine got me doing this to my hair. It's been a week like this, I think, or more, I don't know, but I've been having my hair like this, doing the rice water while my hair's like this. But now I want to remove it because I want to look cute for you guys. I want to produce more content and I want to look cute or whatever. So I gotta remove this, and I'm gonna show you guys the whole process of me doing the protein treatment. Yeah, so I'll catch you guys when the girl is done with removing all this, because most probably it will take me like 2 days, because it took me 2 days to get this done. Girl was lazy and had nothing to do, so most probably it will take me like 2 days to remove them again. Hopefully not, because I mean, I'm binge watching series and I'm doing nothing, so I guess it will be done by tonight. And then I'll film how I moisturize my hair for you guys, maybe tomorrow or something. But see, I just came out of the shower, guys. That's why they are behaving like this. Otherwise they would be like, you know, all over the place. But yeah, so you know, quarantine, at least the aim was to come and grow the hair. But I hope it grew, you know, at least a few inches before your girl decides to remove and start styling her hair, playing with the hair and all this and that. Okay, so I'll be doing this for you guys and hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll style my hair in another video. So hope you guys enjoy. Bye. Yeah, chase up. You got that impressive. Hi guys, welcome back. So the last time you guys saw me, I was now removing those little ass braids. So I figured, I said I would do a protein treatment, which I can't because I figured that I did the rice water and rice water has protein. So I'm gonna do a deep conditioner for you guys. I'm gonna create my own deep conditioner and I'm gonna show you what I use. To show you now, from using rice water, this is the amount of hair I lost. Like when I was removing my hair, the amount of hair I lost. I would have lost more if I didn't use rice water, no lie. So here are all the ingredients. Gonna use 2 eggs, shea butter, bayram, this, and then my oil. So yeah, let's get to mixing and making. So basically this is how everything looks like together. Just gotta mix it up and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so I decided to part my hair in 2 sections, and this is how the deep conditioner looks. I froze it for a little. Okay, I didn't freeze it, but I put it in the fridge from the last time we saw each other, which was making it. Put it in the fridge for it to have a bit thick consistency. Okay, so now it's time for application. So I just take section by section. Okay, let me put this in a bun. You know, take that section. Ooh, it's kind of mushy. And then just apply the deep conditioner to the hair. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's my first time trying this out, guys. It's my first time trying this out. Deep conditioner out. Okay, okay. Hair is feeling soft. Feels soft or whatever. Okay. I like the feeling it's giving my hair. And it feels... Ooh. I can feel the moisture in my hair, guys. Oh my gosh. Feels so nice. Feels so nice. So just put that away, put it in a little twist or whatever, and then continue with the whole head, and then yeah. Okay, y'all, finished the first half of my hair, and I would say, honey, my hair feels hella soft. My hair feels so soft and moisturized. So I'm gonna do the other half off camera and then show you guys what's next. Okay, my babies. And guys, I highly advise you guys to do this in the bathroom. With me, I got something like, you know, where you can all fall on and stuff, but highly advise do it in the bathroom. Okay, so I'll catch you guys when I'm done with the other. Wow, I feel like my hair was given life, guys. So I'm just gonna put this all around my edges, all around, for my babies to feel nice. I want my babies to grow. My babies to grow. My little edges to grow, to feel better. So, okay, y'all, it's done. Literally, the whole thing is done. Got a lot of hair, guys. My hair is thick. And now my hair feels restored. Like, I just gave it life. I swear I can feel my hair sucking all this shea butter and the moisture. It goes like my scalp feels so nice, y'all. Like, yeah. So basically that's it. It's a deep conditioner. Y'all, this is the deep conditioner that I did myself. Whatever. Let me get a plastic and come back to y'all. So I'm gonna put this on for an hour while I clean up my room and all that. So I really want my hair to feel this, so I'm gonna put this on top. I want my hair to really get this moisture, guys. Like, you should feel the moisture. Yeah. Peace. Okay, so it's been an hour. Yeah, time to remove this and see what's up. What's going on with the hair? Wow. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's see. Oh, my hair feels amazing, y'all. My hair feels amazing, balls. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm done with this, okay?